Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at the ultimate guide to business partnerships, from ideation to execution. The world of business is ever evolving, and forging strategic partnerships can be a powerful tool for growth and success. This guide explores everything you need to know about business partnerships, from identifying the right fit to navigating the intricacies of collaboration. 1. Types of partnerships. Joint venture, a new entity formed by two or more businesses for a specific project. Strategic alliance, collaboration on specific aspects like marketing or brand, while remaining independent. Franchise, one party licenses business model and brand from another to operate under specific agreements. Affiliate marketing, promoting each other's products or services for commission-based sales. 2. Key benefits. Increased reach and market share, access new customer segments and expand your brand footprint. Enhanced expertise and innovation, leverage partners' skills and resources to accelerate growth. Shared risks and costs, reduce financial burdens and mitigate potential downsides. Faster scalability and market entry, gain access to established networks and infrastructure. 3. Assessing your needs. Identify strategic goals. What do you want to achieve through a partnership? Evaluate internal resources. What strengths and weaknesses do you bring to the table? Define ideal partner profile, values, expertise, target market alignment, etc. Part 2. Crafting a winning partnership. 1. Finding the perfect match. Industry research, identify potential partners within your sector and complementary industries. Networking and events, attend relevant events and conferences to build connections. Online platforms, utilize professional networking sites like LinkedIn to search for partners. 2. Building a strong foundation. Memorandum of Understanding, MO, outline initial intentions and partnership goals. Partnership Agreement, a comprehensive document covering roles, responsibilities, profit/loss sharing, dispute resolution, etc. 3. Communication and collaboration. Establish clear communication channels, regular meetings, project management tools, open dialogue. Define decision-making processes, consensus, majority vote, designated leader, etc. Foster transparency and trust, share information openly and address concerns promptly. 4. Managing change and challenges. Adapt to evolving needs, revisit goals and adjust strategies as necessary. Address conflicts respectfully, utilize established dispute resolution mechanisms. Celebrate successes and milestones, maintain positive momentum and team spirit. Building successful business partnerships requires careful planning, effective communication, and a commitment to shared goals. By understanding the different types, assessing your needs, and following these key steps, you can leverage partnerships to unlock remarkable growth and success for your business. Remember, collaboration is key. Bonus resources. Legal advice for drafting partnership agreements. Online partnership matching platforms. Industry association resources for partnership development. Disclaimer: this guide is for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional legal or financial advice. Always consult with qualified professionals before entering into any business partnership. Thank you for watching. That is all for today.